Welcome back to Fitness Empowerment by Danye, a brand dedicated to flexible nutrition, macronutrient tracking, and a lifestyle without unhealthy extremes. Rise and shine, beautiful people. Kathy, are you ready? Are you ready? Day two? Day two? Day two? Are we all ready?
Yep, we're ready to go.
We're ready?
It's
Megan?
raining.
Heather?
Let me finish my coffee.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I already had mine.
I need
so
to finish coffee and then I'll...
Finishing coffee? All right, I had my coffee. We're headed to Animal Kingdom. This is day 2. I will be vlogging today again. However, the ebook is not on Animal Kingdom this time, so today is just gonna be a little bit more fun. Still tracking macros, still gonna be on point with nutrition. So come along for the ride. You don't want your sandwich deconstructed too?
No deconstructing mom's food today.
Oh.
You can deconstruct my sandwich.
I can do,
What?
okay, good.
Why would you want that?
I've got volunteers.
Sandwich yesterday?
You can deconstruct my sandwich or weigh my food, whatever you want to do.
Perfect. Yesterday
Kiss up.
I deconstructed my mother's sandwich from France and it was
Awful.
lovely.
It didn't look very appetizing.
Very appetizing.
Yeah,
That's what it is.
It tasted fine though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was delicious.
As long as it tastes delicious, it doesn't matter what it looks
Wow,
like.
look at
That's
that.
not necessarily accurate.
Bad weather looking good.
So we just finished the Navi riding on the Banshee in Pandora. So I'm not vlogging a ton outside today because it's raining again. But we all like the smells, the good smells. What'd you call it?
Smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision.
I think that's a Willy Wonka term.
Is it? I think you created it. So we're gonna head to Starbucks now because that's life. Coffee is life. And we need some food and some H2O. Okay, we got our Starbucks. I've got an iced Americano with skinny mocha syrup. So we're really cutting out the dairy right now. I don't know if that's why I feel bloated, but I woke up feeling bloated this morning and I'm 4 weeks-ish out from a show. So just gonna try to eliminate that and see what other processed foods I've been consuming that might need to just come out for the next couple of weeks. So we're headed to Dino Land, gonna hit that dino ride. Had a bunch of water, so definitely staying hydrated and feeling hydrated with all this rain too. So get your coffee. Hey. Why is dinosaur your favorite ride?
Because it's just the coolest ride and it's got freaking dinosaurs on it, and why wouldn't that be the coolest ride?
I don't know, that's why I asked.
Dinosaurs are just really cool. I really just don't know how to explain it otherwise.
All right, we got off the dinosaur ride. We're in like Dino Land and we got some awesome photos with Pluto and Goofy and Donald. Very rare that we get to see or to take these photos without more than a couple minutes of wait. And I think because of the weather, people are kind of holding off on being at the park today, so it's kind of working out really well for us. Minimal wait times for everything.
We have Nakawa,
which is Swahili for good looking.
Hey, good looking.
and this is Kabini.
Which means impatient.
It means princess.
And finally we have Swahili.
Which is Swahili for the gift.
We are eating in Africa. I just don't know the name of the place. I think it might be the marketplace. Lots of fruits and vegetables.
And grilled chicken skewers.
Grilled chicken skewers. Very, very delicious.
Awesome. Healthiness. That's not a word, is it?
It can be if you want it to be.
It is today. Time for some dinner at Yak and Yeti. You hungry?
Hey, I'm starved.
I'm not starved, but we're gonna get some lean protein, some veggies. It's gonna be fabulous. Oh, it smells so good. We must all be super satisfied since we're all on our phones. So attractive.
I'm a grown-up.
Okay, Yak and Yeti dinner done. My family split ways with me. They are going to I don't know, a couple of other things, but I'm tired. I want to go get a good night of sleep. I want to make sure that I get to the gym in the morning, and I have some work to do. My Monday client check-ins are still going to be around the corner, so I can't let them down. So I'm going to go home, get a shower in, go to bed. I stay home back to the apartment that we're staying in. So I'm gonna end this vlog here, and I will see y'all tomorrow. I think we're going to Magic Kingdom tomorrow, so that should be exciting. Bye.
Be empowered to make a change in your life and take the next step on your health and fitness journey.